3 reasons why morning routines are vital for your success and productivity. Are you tired of everyone and their brother on the internet telling you that you need a morning routine? Well, that won't stop anytime soon. But they do have a valid point in the importance of starting and maintaining a morning routine. A set of processes that you can rely on and can complete every morning do have many benefits. However, all those benefits can be summed up into 3 categories. 1. The power of starting your day. Charles Spurgeon is quoted in saying, "Begin as you mean to go on, and go on as you began." This quote may be a biblical reference, but it applies to many areas of life. The start to your day, your begin, sets the tone for your entire day. Having a process to follow that sets you up to feel your best throughout the day will aid you in the go-on portion of your day. A morning routine that is comprised of strong habits will help. 2. Your willpower's last straw. Science shows that much like your ability to keep your eyes open, your willpower also has a circadian rhythm. Your ability to make positive choices is most reliable in the morning when you first wake up and naturally decreases throughout the day. Making positive choices, therefore, is easier in the morning, so you are more likely to create a healthy morning routine as opposed to a steady bedtime routine. 3. The nature of ritualization. Have you ever noticed that certain things cause you to do other certain things? Getting out of bed makes you want to drink coffee. Listening to the coffee maker percolate makes you want to empty the dishwasher. The warmth of the coffee you're drinking makes you want to journal. Humans, much like Pavlov's dog, are natural at ritualization. You may not drool when you hear the doorbell, but the sound of your coffee maker probably prompts you to do something. Mornings are full of these bells that will trigger you to do another step. A healthy morning routine is nothing more than a series of small rituals that you perform, and these will carry into your day. If you had any doubt before as to whether it was in your interest to start compiling and performing a morning routine, you shouldn't be now. Morning routines are fairly natural processes that humans go through. You just need to make the conscientious decision to create one that is best for you.